All right, this is my Acra 1440C for sale. I bought this machine new back in 2020. So we're gonna turn the machine on. This is an 8-speed. So if you wanna come over here, Hank. And then we're gonna bump it up to 320. It works. You got your pump here. Move everything. Brake works. Reverse. Or if you want a thread, it's a toggle switch. There we go. So that would be threading. Tailstock. Everything's nice and smooth, and you can see there's no wear on the ways. The machine's never been crashed. I've never dropped anything on the ways. I always keep the machine nice and clean. Everything's nice and smooth. You got your dial here for the threads, and you pretty much have a whole chart here for all the threads and different feeds that you can do. So it's pretty versatile, both inch and metric threads. If you're cutting metric threads, I always keep the carriage engaged with the lead screw, and then inch you can kind of do like you normally do on any inch machine. And there's a coolant pump in here. I've only ran coolant in here once, and that was a couple years back. So I just use cutting oil, things of that sort. So it's a nice machine, 3-jaw chuck, face plate. I got a 4-jaw independent chuck that I'll throw in there. No tooling, no tool holders or anything like that. Nothing comes with the machine as far as that. It is a 3-phase, but I have a static phase converter. So it's 220 single phase. And I think that's pretty much it. It's a really nice machine. We'll bump it up to a different RPM here. Let's do 488. So you just rotate this, lock it in place. So nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Like I said, everything works. Machine's ready to go. It's not brand new. It's like new. It looks really good. And I'm sure I could probably clean it up even better, but that's what we got here. Here we go.